Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the world of copy trading. Whether you are a beginner or just exploring new ways to trade, copy trading might be the game changer you are looking for. So stay tuned till the end for some valuable insights. Copy trading, in simple terms, is a way for you to copy the trading strategies of experienced traders. Imagine having a pro trader making decisions for you while sitting back and watch. Sounds amazing, right? Here is how it works. You find a trader who has proven track record and you decide to copy their trades. When they make a move, your account automatically mirrors their actions. If they buy, you buy. If they sell, you sell. This let beginners or busy investors leverage the expertise of the seasoned traders. So, how does copy trading actually work? Let's break it down step by step. First, choosing a platform. First, you need to pick a platform that offers copy trading services. Different platforms have varying features, but the key thing is finding that one suits your preferences. Number 2, selecting a trader. Once you have joined a platform, you get to explore a list of traders. These traders often have detailed profiles showing their past performances, trading styles, and risk levels. Choose the one that matches your goals. Setting your parameters. You can decide how much money to allocate and set stop loss limits to manage your risk. Once set, your account will automatically follow your chosen trader's moves. Like all trading methods, copy trading comes with both benefits and risk. On the plus side, it's a great way for beginners to gain exposure to the markets without deep technical knowledge. It saves time and efforts while giving you a learning experience by observing the trades of experts. Plus, many platforms let you diversify by following multiple trades at once. But it's important to be aware of the risks. Even experienced traders can face losses, so choosing the right traders and allocating funds wisely are crucial steps to minimize risk. If you're thinking of starting your trading journey or exploring more platforms, here are 3 highly recommended brokers for forex trading. First, FP Markets, a globally trusted broker with competitive spreads and a user-friendly interface. It's a great choice for those looking to trade a variety of forex pairs. Second, Pepperstone, known for its fast execution and reliable service. Pepperstone offers a range of tools to help traders, from beginners to pros. And last but not the least, Avatrade. With Avatrade, you get a broker with decades of experience and a broad selection of forex assets to trade. It's perfect if you value both reliability and flexibility in your trading journey. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more informative content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.